Well, it's an absolutely fantastic day for us here at Land Rover, revealing our all-new Defender. I'm so proud of the teams in the UK and also the teams in Slovakia that have worked tirelessly over the last few years to bring this fantastic new car to the market. This really is the most capable Land Rover we've ever done. We've created an all-new bespoke architecture. It's incredibly tough. You can withstand peak loads of 7 tons through the suspension. You can carry 300 kilograms on the roof. Statically, you can go dynamically with 168 kilograms on the roof. Point recovery loads at the front and rear are 6.5 tons, and you can tow the legal maximum in any country around the world, so up to 3.5 tons in Europe. But off-road, it's just immense. You can go on any surface, anywhere in the world. You've got amazing geometry, amazing suspension technology. This car will go as far as you want to, anywhere. Well, we've got a full portfolio of products on the stand here today from both the Jaguar brand and the Land Rover brand. From the new XE, fantastic car, brilliant to drive, refined, comfortable and luxurious, all the way through to our Discovery family, the new Evoque, the Range Rover Sport, and of course our new Defender. And we're just so proud to be here in Frankfurt, representing everybody in the company with all of these cars on our stand.